Well, we are happy to say we're getting to be 2022 in just a couple of seconds. Now, in the comment section, mention what you're grateful for 2021. What was some of your best things that happened to you? My number one best thing was that my daughter joined my channel last year in January. And it brought a lot of new content and a lot of new supporters. And I think it showed that we get along pretty good, huh?
Well, yeah, I think so. I think there's no problem at all. I kind of like messing around with you.
I'm crazy. She loves it. And I think we've done really well together. We've been doing this now a year, next month. Mm-hmm. And we are really grateful that we've gotten so many new followers this year. We got, I guess, between 1 and 2 minutes extra watch time per video.
Thank you.
And we've got a lot more great followers than we've had. And I'm grateful that I finally made 4,000 watch time. That was very hard to do, and I would never made it without my daughter. I can promise you.
Aww. And your viewers.
Well, I can't do anything without the viewers, but I still have to have better content to keep viewers. And I think you brought a lot more content that's new and different than what I used to do.
Oh, okay.
And I think you've brought a little bit more of the better quality level. You're almost sort of simple and plain.
And I think too, it's kind of hard to have a conversation by yourself. So it's nice to bounce ideas and thoughts off of each other. And
yeah.
So
I think
that's fun.
I think that's made a big difference.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I think she needs to do things a little different. Sometimes she thinks I do. And I think in the long run, it makes for a better video.
I agree.
Because I'm pretty good at putting flower arrangements together, but I'm a pretty big failure at DIY. But
and you know me, I don't do any flower arranging. I just throw them in the pot.
So we all have different things we're good at, and that also makes a difference too, I think, on the channel. And because we have so many new ideas and so much content, we've going to start a new channel in March, as we keep telling you guys all. And what were you thankful for 2021?
I'm thankful that I had a job and I was able to work from home. That kept me safe. I'm grateful for having a wonderful mother and family, and we all just are healthy and happy. And I'm thankful I have a loving husband that allows me to do all this crazy stuff and make a mess in my house.
Yeah, that was the funny thing. My daughter's always kept a real tidy house. I've never been a good housekeeper. And her son came over here and came over and saw what the place looks like. Says, Grandma, I don't know what happened to Mom. I said, I can tell you what happened. She joined my channel. That's what happened to Mom.
So I have stuff everywhere because I have all these great ideas, and trying to find where to put all this stuff to do all these great ideas. So.
And she also found out it's not as easy as it looks to organize and do all of it, is it?
It is not. It is tough. And I'm still trying to grapple with how to do that, but I'll get a hang of it. I will. I can't have my house a mess like this forever, so.
Oh, not forever?
Not one more month, my husband says. Not one more month. So, but I'm grateful for, that we just have the opportunity, and I'm so grateful for the people that I've met on YouTube. I've been, following some other people, and I'm hoping that they'll come over to the new channel, but they have given me a lot of great ideas, and even the people that you have on your channel, I started watching them before I said I'll jump into the whole thing with you. So I'm very happy with the people I meet, and I love seeing the comments and things, so you guys keep those comments coming.
Well, that's another thing too. It was funny because I've had this channel, it'll be 8 years this coming summer. She has never showed any interest in my YouTube channel ever, and all of a sudden out of the blue she said, I'll help you. And then I
said, I'll help you with your Alice in Wonderland, and then it just snowballed from there.
Then she says to me, because we didn't do any videos here for a very long time. And she says, my house is a lot nicer than yours, Mom, if you want to.
I didn't say that. You said that.
No, what did you say?
I said that it's cleaner. It doesn't have a lot of clutter. And I have a bigger dining room than you.
I have no dining room.
Well, yeah. So I thought, because if it's all tablescapes, why wouldn't you have a big dining room to show, right?
I don't have one.
But it's fine. It's good.
But I'm showing people that even if you have a tiny little house like I do, you can still do something. And that's why I only do tablescapes for 2. I don't do anything elaborate. Even when my daughter joined my channel, we still keep it usually at 2.
Yeah. So what are you looking forward to in 2022?
Well, we'll have a new channel started. That's one thing I'm looking forward. I need to make sure I can keep my 300 or more watch hours every month. And I know we can, because we finally have enough followers that are consistently coming all the time that I'm not really struggling at all to get that now. The watch time is really going to be there every month. And I'm still trying to grow the channel to make it even bigger. Now, I am not interested in having a mega channel or a giant channel, because I still want to keep relationships going with my followers. I just want to make it where I constantly don't have to struggle and work so hard.
Yeah.
That's the thing I really want to get better at. Because it's hard when you're constantly worrying about numbers when I want to worry about putting up better content. And I think that's about it, and trying to keep the family and togetherness with this. And I probably can get some more family members involved this coming year too. And as you see, I've been getting a few more of them. So hope you guys keep coming back. There's lots more to be seen on this channel.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look, it's getting ready for celebration time.
Okay, let's go.
Ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Happy New Year's!
Oh, we forgot.
Oh. Guess what, guys? It's New Year's Eve.
Woo-hoo! Oh, no, sorry.
Where's my squeaky noise? I thought I was going to get some squeaky noise. Well, what do you say? You bought it at Dollar Tree. Don't we look cute for 2022?
And we've got some bubbly. This is our strawberry raspberry secco rossini. Yum yum.
That's pretty good.
Oh, we did cheers, Mom. Cheers to brand new year.
2022.
Hopefully it'll be better than the last year. That's all we could hope for.
And let's just hope it doesn't get worse.
Yes, but I'm thankful that we have good family, we all love each other, and we're all pretty healthy, and we have lots of years to be together.
Correct. And there went my bell. Oh well. But anyway, we love you guys all, and thank you so much for all your love and support you've given this last year. And you are going to have a lot more to watch this coming year, right?
Yes. And so we just want to thank each and every one of you who's been by my mom's side all along, and all of those new subscribers. And I'm hoping that you guys all come and check out our new channel coming March 1st. I say March 1st, but March. And it's blossom your creativity.
And it's just going to be like home decor and DIY, nothing else. The original channel will have everything else.
So we're looking forward to 2022. Cheers.
Guys, have a great time. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye. See you next year. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.